Water is essential to life. Unfortunately, it may also become contaminated and pose a threat. Just as we are dependent on water, so are other life forms, such as bacteria that may be present in the water systems and pose a risk to human health. How safe a water system is to human health begins early on with the design stage. This is followed by construction, during which water systems may be pressurized early, allowing very early colonization of the water system with pathogens. Prior to taking occupation of a building, water systems should be commissioned to make sure that they are working correctly and a risk assessment performed. Once this has happened, occupation may occur, and from then on, maintenance and looking after the water systems are essential to ensuring safe health to those personnel who occupy the building. Some pathogenic organisms are thought to find their way into a building water system through the mains water supply. Low numbers of pathogenic organisms may be present in the mains water supply. If these were to pass straight through the system, this would pose little risk. Unfortunately, for some organisms, even though they may be present in low numbers, if the conditions are correct, they will adhere to materials within the water system. Once adherence has occurred, these organisms then produce slime, and they mature into a large biofilm, as seen here. From the biofilm, organisms may then seed the system. When water sampling is undertaken, one only detects the organisms that have been released from the biofilm. This is thought to represent 1% of the total bioburden within the system. Of all the steps described, adherence is the most important. Once organisms have adhered to a water system, they then turn the water system into a breeding ground from which they can produce high numbers of organisms capable of infecting patients and staff.